Can't even get it. Yeah. Welcome back to Cooking with Veronica. Today I'm going to make a really fun recipe. It's going to be a backyard Big Mac. Big Mac is arguably the most famous fast food sandwich. But did you know you can make your own Big Mac at home? How do we make this monstrosity of a burger? First, you need ground beef, processed or American cheese, sesame seed bun, onion, lettuce, pickles, relish, eggs, white wine vinegar, paprika, soy sauce, garlic powder, yellow mustard, onion powder, salt, black pepper, and granulated sugar. Then we'll take out our ground beef and place it in a mixing bowl. Then put your 2 pounds of ground beef inside, add a pinch of salt and pepper, and after that is mixed in, add 1 egg, a teaspoon of soy sauce, and continue to mix. Once you're done mixing your ground beef, flatten them into patties. Then leave them to chill in the fridge while you chop up your onions, lettuce, and pickles. Now for the mac sauce. We will need to mix these ingredients into a bowl. 3/4 cups of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon yellow mustard, 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish, 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar, half teaspoon of white wine vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and half teaspoon of paprika. Then mix them all together until the color changes into a slight pink. Finally, it's time to start grilling our patties. Once grilled, it is time to assemble it. Wow, I'm really impressed for the size of this burger. Like, this patty is really massive and I can't wait to try it. Can't even get it. Yeah. It's amazing. It does taste very similar to the Big Mac. It's so big that I can't even eat it. I'm probably going to need to use fork and knife. I want to compare, like, honestly, how is the difference between them. So I'm going to try the Big Mac from McDonald's. It's still delicious, but there is something in mine that I prefer better. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you try to do it at home and let me know in the comments how it goes. And see you next Thursday.